Speeding, distraction, and intoxication disturb driver reaction times. We can address this by lowering speed, alerting a driver to a threat, and by detecting an intoxicated driver. Driver monitoring cameras allow the car safety to take action when necessary to keep people safe, inside and outside the car. Say, for example, the cameras register that the driver has taken their eyes off the road for enough time to create a risk. The car would then engage the safety support systems and issue a reminder to drive with care. If the driver doesn't respond to this, the car enters an emergency state. This would also happen if the driver closes their eyes for a long time, doesn't maintain a hold of the steering wheel, or starts to drive erratically. Here, the car reduces its speed and alerts Volvo on call, which immediately contacts the driver. If the driver doesn't respond or if behavior doesn't improve, an emergency stop is activated, at which time the car safely pulls over to a stop. Volvo on call stays on the line and sends further help if needed.